In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the robot vacuum cleaners mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ABIR G20S Robot Vacuum Mop. The ABIR G20S combines powerful cleaning and smart technology for hassle-free home care. With 6,000 pascals suction power, it tackles dirt and debris effortlessly, while the 120-minute battery life ensures extended operation. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Home adds convenience, and Wi-Fi Plus app controls enable remote scheduling. A versatile cleaner for busy lives, the G20S is now available for $166.50, 63% off. Number 4, Lefant M1 Robot Vacuum Mop. The Lefant M1 offers efficient cleaning with simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, guided by advanced LDS navigation. Its multi-plane mapping ensures precise coverage, while the 2-hour battery life supports extended sessions. With professional after-sales service, this device guarantees reliability and ease of use. Perfect for modern homes, the Lefant M1 provides smart cleaning at an affordable price of $163.02, 62% off. Number 3, ZCWA D900 Auto Empty Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The ZCWA D900 revolutionizes home cleaning with its auto-empty functionality and customizable wet/dry modes. With 6,000 pascals suction power and smart multi-floor mapping, it efficiently navigates your home, tackling dirt and debris with ease. A 2-hour battery life ensures it can handle larger areas without interruption. Ideal for busy households, the ZCWA D900 combines innovation and practicality for a cleaner living space. Priced at $316.27, 53% off, it's a powerful investment for automated home cleaning. Number 2, Liectroux XR500 Laser Guided Robot Vacuum. The Liectroux XR500 offers superior cleaning performance with its laser-guided navigation and advanced multi-floor mapping, allowing you to save up to 5 different maps. Delivering 6,500 pascals suction power, it's perfect for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors alike. Voice control via Alexa and Google Home, alongside Wi-Fi app integration, make scheduling and monitoring seamless. Designed for multitasking homes, this high-tech robot vacuum is a top pick at $230.34, 70% off. Number 1, ILIFE T10S Auto Empty LDS Vacuum Robot. The ILIFE T10S is the ultimate cleaning powerhouse with its auto-empty station capable of storing up to 60 days of debris. Offering 3,000 pascals suction power, it's perfect for thorough cleaning on all surfaces. With multiple operating modes, it adapts to your cleaning needs, and a 2-hour battery life ensures uninterrupted operation. Laser navigation enhances precision, making the T10S a reliable cleaning partner. At $244.33, 50% off, it provides unmatched value for effortless cleaning.